To set different notification sound separate apps for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. For that, open up your setting, and under setting you can see the notifications, and you have to go your advanced setting. Under advanced setting you can see the manage notification category for each apps. Just enable this option. Now go back, and you have to go your apps section. For example, I want to set different notification for my WhatsApp. So now you have to go your specific apps, go to apps, then under notification make sure it's allow. So once you go there, then you can see notification categories. Press on notification categories. Not only single notification, you can change the group notification, message notification, chat history backup, those. For example, group notification, then you can see the sound option. Press on sound. Now you can easily change it as you wish. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.